I was a vegan for 5 years and had no idea I was missing these crucial nutrients. But what happened next changed everything: my health, my energy, and my entire perspective on plant-based eating.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's really important for anyone following a vegan diet. While veganism can be a great choice for animal lovers and the environment, there are some essential nutrients that you might be missing out on. In this video, we'll expose the nutrients that are commonly lacking in vegan diets and provide you with some valuable tips on how to get them. Number 1 is vitamin B12. Let's start with one of the most critical nutrients that vegans often miss out on: vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for the production of red blood cells, nerve function, and DNA synthesis. However, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. If you're not consuming these foods, you might be at risk of deficiency. So, how can vegans get enough vitamin B12? Well, there are a few options. You can take a supplement, consume fortified plant-based milk, or eat nutritional yeast, which is a natural source of vitamin B12. Number 2 is omega-3 fatty acids. Another essential nutrient that vegans might be lacking is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for heart health, brain function, and inflammation reduction. While plant-based sources like flaxseed and chia seeds contain omega-3s, they're not as easily absorbed by the body as the omega-3s found in fish and other animal products. So, how can vegans get enough omega-3s? You can take an algal oil supplement, consume walnuts, or eat chia seeds and flax seeds, which are rich in ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Number 3 is iron. Iron is another essential nutrient that vegans might be lacking. Iron is crucial for healthy red blood cells, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. While plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and dark leafy greens contain iron, it's not as easily absorbed by the body as the iron found in animal products. So, how can vegans get enough iron? You can consume vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits and bell peppers, which can enhance iron absorption. You can also cook in cast iron cookware, take an iron supplement, or eat fortified cereals. Number 4 is calcium. Calcium is essential for healthy bones, teeth, and muscles. While plant-based sources like fortified plant-based milk, dark leafy greens, and tofu contain calcium, it's not always easy to get enough. Vegans who don't consume enough calcium may be at risk of osteoporosis and fractures. So, how can vegans get enough calcium? You can consume fortified plant-based milk, eat dark leafy greens like kale and broccoli, or take a calcium supplement. Number 5 is zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that's crucial for immune function, wound healing, and protein synthesis. While plant-based sources like beans, nuts, and seeds contain zinc, it's not always easy to absorb. Vegans who don't consume enough zinc may be at risk of impaired immune function and wound healing. So, how can vegans get enough zinc? You can consume zinc-rich plant-based foods like beans, nuts, and seeds, take a zinc supplement, or eat fortified cereals. By being mindful of these nutrients and taking steps to include them in your diet, you can ensure that you're getting everything you need to thrive on a vegan diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.